Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Kraken wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to join the dark side of Kraken wallet or if you want to enable the dark mode on Kraken wallet, then this video is for you. The first thing to do is to open up your Kraken wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, go to the profile icon at the bottom of the screen from the main home page and this will open up the app settings. From the app settings, find the option that says theme and give it a tap. You'll be able to see three options displayed. One is the day, another is the night, and the other is the automatic option. If you want to set it to day mode or night mode according to your system's preferences, you can enable the button right next to automatic. But if you want to set your Kraken wallet to the dark side, or if you want to set or enable the dark mode for your Kraken wallet, tap on the night option and you'll be able to see your wallet change into dark right away. That is how you can easily enable night mode or dark mode for Kraken wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.